Good morning, everyone. So I wanted to do a really quick little review slash unboxing of another Etsy shop that I've tried. This is NMH Creations on Etsy. And I do have 3 sticker sets here that I haven't opened yet. But I did actually, I couldn't wait, and I already used one. This was the set that I used for last week. This was Pumpkin Spice Fall, I believe, and I absolutely loved it, but I wanted to go ahead and open these as a quick little review video. So I ordered the November kit for my monthly for next month, and then this is the sweater weather kit, and then this is, I think this is called Christmas Sweets. I love the photographic kits. I feel like, I don't know, I really like the aesthetic of having actual photographs in my planner. So yeah, go ahead and get to it. Oh, look, freebie stickers. And I have to check the backs of all of them. This is actually 2 different orders. I ordered the first 2 was the one that I used in my planner, and then the sweater weather one, this one. And I liked them so much that I went ahead and ordered again because I had a coupon after ordering once. So yeah, I'll go ahead and open these. It's been incredibly gray and dreary here in Virginia. Sorry about all the rattling. So the lighting, I have not been able to get good lighting for videos at all. So here's November. These are sized for the Erin Condren planners, but I've found with a little cutting and finagling that I can get them to work in my plum paper planner. So isn't this cute? I absolutely love these. We've got the headers. You've got tags for Daylight Savings Time, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 5 payday stickers, 4 bill due stickers. Huh. Yeah, that's not enough bill due stickers for me. But I see over here you also have bill due stickers. So 8 might be enough. I have to go back and count how many I used for this month. But I absolutely love like the double stickers and all of the Thanksgiving themed stuff. You got some boxes here, a little bit of washi here, goals, nutrition this month, etc., etc. They're just really, I love the colors, I love the photographs, I think it's beautiful. So there's that one. Now I'm going to open the sweater weather, which I was planning to use in December. Planning ahead here. See, look at me. I can plan ahead. So here's your full boxes with some beautiful sweaters. I absolutely love all the knitting, of course. Oh my gosh, yes, look at that. It's beautiful. I'm an obsessed knitter, so yeah, I think it's gorgeous. It's gonna be perfect for one of my December weeks. Or I might have scheduled it for the last week of November, right after Thanksgiving. Anyway, so those are beautiful as well. Again, still sized for the Erin Condren planners. I think that's the only size they offer right now. And I would assume that it's kind of hard to switch back and forth. Here the candy or Christmas sweets package. Here again, you got the full box pictures with, if that doesn't make you hungry, I don't know how you're human. Gingerbread house, washi, all the little tags. Yeah, so isn't that so cute? It's just perfect. I love it. Christmas always makes me want to bake all the things, so I'm absolutely loving this. The only stickers I haven't really found a use for in these, and I've noticed them in a lot of Erin Condren sets, so I'm assuming that it's just something that I don't have in the plum paper, are these. I don't understand what those are for or where they're supposed to go. Again, I'm assuming that's just because I don't have a plum paper. I mean, I don't have a Erin Condren planner, but anyway. Yeah, so there you have it. I think those are absolutely adorable. I love this shop. I have her on notifications so that I will get updates. I just really, really love pretty much all of her kits, and I would love to have them all. But yeah, so check them out. I think she has a Instagram code. I'll I'll put a link to her Instagram in the video notes. But anyway, So there's the candy sweets, the sweater weather, and the November kit. And got a really cute little freebie of stickers here too. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Bye.